And today I'm going to teach you how to make a salad dressing like a pro. That's super simple. But let's look at things that most people don't get right. First of all, they use way too much olive oil. Second of all, they don't balance out the flavors quite right. And thirdly, they don't emulsify properly. So let's dive in. We've got extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to be using today lemon juice, but you can also use fresh lemons, Dijon mustard, local organic honey, salt and pepper to taste, and then you can add either organic Italian seasonings or just a dash of minced garlic or minced onions, or both. Let's put it together. I'm taking a mason jar, and in my mason jar, I'm going to add my olive oil, 3/4 cup. I'm going to take the lemon juice. Now I'm just going to eyeball this, but you want about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and about 1.5 teaspoons of organic honey. I'm going to salt and pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper. And then any seasonings that you'd like. Today I'm just going to go forward and do the Italian seasoning. Probably about a teaspoon of this. And you just want to shake and shake and shake. Check it out. Looks creamy and it's going to taste delicious. I hope this was a helpful and easy recipe that you'll check out this week. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.